Hi everyone, it's Bren with Addicted to Cricut, bringing you another Cricut tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the Editable Images feature. It's a hard word for me to say. It's new, not like brand new, but it's not been on our Cricut canvas for very long. So let's check it out and see what it is. So over here on the left hand side, in your toolbar, you'll see it says Editable Images. So just click on it. And you will see bunches and bunches of things. First of all, you'll notice that my prices are crossed out. I am a member of the Cricut Access, and so I get most things and free or at a less price. Anyway, let's not talk about that. So it also has a search bar, so we can actually search for images. So let's search for sports. And we can see all these different sports things. All of the the names and numbers are editable. Even the colors, if you don't like the colors, like of the basketball, you can change that, okay? There's all kinds of different things. So what this is basically doing is it's really giving you a shortcut to like the split letter projects, or just simple projects that are personalized. You want them to be personalized from someone's name that you know, and it's fast and easy. You don't have to design it, you don't have to do anything. You just edit it and go. So let's go back here and let me show you one that I found that I really thought was cool. This one. Everybody loves to get these kind of things for their kids. Well, this is completely editable. The name, when they were born, the time that they were born, weight, length, all of it. So let's do that. First we're going to highlight it, and we're going to come up here to this little box over box kind of thing, and we're going to ungroup, okay? Sometimes it might be attached also, but when you come down here on the right hand side, it would say, instead of attached, it would say unattached. So this is fine. So now we can come in here and double click on what we want to change. So maybe you want to change this name to, let's see, maybe I need to highlight it first. Okay, nope. Whoops. So maybe we want to change it to Joshua. See how easy that was? And then once you're ready to do this, you have two choices on this one. I think all of them. You can either do a print and cut, where you print it out on your material, whether it's vinyl or HTV or just paper. And then you can have Cricut cut around it, or you can or you can print it off on all of the colors and then layer your vinyl. It's your choice, but it's very, very easy to do. Just grab an image and figure out what you want to do, what names you want, and it just will make our lives a lot easier for those quick projects that we need, gift ideas, and we don't have to, let's see, what did they say? What did they call that before? You don't have to reinvent the wheel. We don't have to, because Cricut has made it really, really easy for us. And there are a ton of different things in here that you can choose from. You can get at sports. Ton of different things that you could go through. Over 3,000 images that you can go through, and you can look and see. And so, things like this, happy anniversary, you could change it to happy anniversary, Bren, or mom and dad, or whatever you want. These are completely editable, and it's just so easy to do it, click it, edit it, and then fly on. Okay, that's it. Easy one today. You guys go and give it a try, and have a great, happy crafting day.